everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can block someone on TikTok. So it's very easy and simple. To get started, go ahead and open up your TikTok application on your mobile phone. Once you open it, you'll be appear with the FYP of your TikTok. Now you can simply go to the inbox section. So here you can see many people. So for instance, I would like to block this particular person. So what I can do is simply tap on that person. Now once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and tap on that three dots. Now there are many options: mute notification, pin to top, block, report. So we want to block, so what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on block and confirm it. Once you do that, you'll be successfully able to block someone on TikTok. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.